Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make quality coffee at home. First, always begin with fresh, whole coffee beans. Grinding them right before you brew is crucial for unlocking their full aroma and flavor. Also, remember that water quality significantly impacts your coffee's taste, so use filtered water whenever possible. These simple steps lay the foundation for a truly delicious cup. Achieving a great brew involves a few key techniques. Keep your water temperature consistent, ideally between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit, for proper extraction. A good starting point for your coffee-to-water ratio is 1:16, but feel free to adjust. Don't be afraid to experiment with brew times. A longer steep can yield a stronger cup, while a shorter one offers a lighter profile. To truly elevate your coffee experience, proper storage is key. Keep your beans in an airtight container, away from direct sunlight and heat, to preserve freshness. Investing in a quality burr grinder makes a huge difference, providing a consistent grind that leads to better extraction. And for a consistently warm cup, always preheat your mug or brewing equipment before pouring. Finally, remember that a clean machine is a happy machine. Regularly clean your brewing equipment to ensure the purest taste. Don't hesitate to explore various coffee origins, as each offers unique and exciting flavor notes. And hey, while you're upgrading your coffee game, why not upgrade your sock game too? Life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.